Good morning, I'm Cooler, and what we're going to do today, wait a minute, I guess we're going here, yes we are on. Okay, I'm Cooler, and what we're going to do is a box opening of the Night Owl 2K high definition wire security system. Has 12 channel, 8 wired, 4 Wi-Fi, DVR with 1 terabyte hard drive, and 4 wired 2K high definition deterrence cameras with 2-way audio. So let's get after it. We'll open, this is a box opening like I said, so let's get after it. This is my handy knife I have here. Just bring it around and open it. It's never been opened by me, that's for sure. I picked it up at Best Buy, in case you're wondering where I got it. Let's see what it's saying here. It says, visit, need help, why? Call our 24/7 online support site has it all. Visit support nightowlsp.com. Enter the series listed on the product support sticker into the search bar. Address the support, material needed. Access. Product support information can be found on the top of the recorder. So what they're showing is the top of the recorder box, and there's a label up there with all their information. Let's continue our box opening here. Oh, I wanted you to also need to know that when I was carrying this out, good thing I asked for a bag, it popped right out, this here. You know, and if I hadn't been holding on to the bag and the this thing, it would have fallen on the ground. And I can see it was disconnected somehow. And it needs to go back on here. Let's see if I can do it. Kind of wonder how that happened. Well, it doesn't want to go back on. I'll have to do that later. Okay, let's just continue our box opening here. Let's start with the DVR. What I want to do is open it right now. I want to take a look at this thing. DVR is digital video recorder, by the way. Let's see what we can do here. I haven't done a box opening for quite a while. I'm busy with other things. And I still have the same old cars too. I have no intention of giving up good stuff for junk they're selling today. Okay, let's see how this is going to come out here. I hope you can see what I'm doing here, because I'm not looking. Okay, now I see myself. Okay. Let's take this out. There is some instructions in here by the looks of it. This is an HDMI cable that's in here. This is your broadband connection. It's been so long since I've talked about computer related things. Okay, not connecting to the internet, it says. Let's see if you can see that. It says Night Owl strongly recommends connecting the DVR to the internet. If you have decided not to connect, follow the on-screen prompts within the Startup Wizard. Please note that not connecting your DVR means you must manually update the device's firmware to the latest version to receive technical phone support. The latest firmware version is available on the device's support page on the Night Owl support site. The DVR must be registered to receive technical phone support. You cannot view your system remotely. Reset your password is a much longer process to ensure security. Need more help, and then it's got something here. See what's over here. It says the wired DVR security system. That's what this looks like on the opposite side of the page here. So the DVR. Let's just get into this. Okay, this is the front of it. I like the fact that it's got a flat top so that you can put something on top of it instead of a rounded top like I seen on this Swan. I think it was Swan. That would be their competitor in my opinion. Anyways, it says here, need help on the sticker. So let's see. I'm going to have to put my glasses on to see it because it's in fine print. It says, why call? Or our support site has it all. So are they going to give you a phone number? I don't think so. I haven't seen anything yet. Please visit supportnightowlsp.com. Enter the series below into the search bar. Series FTD4. Lot number, UID, serial number, DVR FTD, blah blah blah, and your Night Owl Protect, scan the code. And that you can do with your phone. Okay, that's opened, and that's the information with that. And let's hear the stuff. Seems to be sliding all over the place in here. Okay, let's see if you can see what I'm doing. I gotta get this out of here. I'll just set this over here. Slide this out. And this has the cameras and the cables in it. That's all that's in the box. So let's set this box over here. Stuff out of the way. And here's your cameras. They're lightweight. They have cabling here. This is a gray cable. I believe this stuff is made in China and Vietnam. I don't see why they can't make it here in America anymore. But of course Americans want more money, right? And they have sweatshops, don't they? There's one camera, 2, 3, 4. See this? What I'm doing here. Will sound plasticky. Okay, let's see what we have here. These are the cables. It plugs into the back of the DVR. Let's take the plastic off the DVR. Get that off of it. It should be plug and play if you ask me. Let's see where that goes in. Well, I don't know, so I'm going to have to read about it. This, you can see what I'm doing, is HDMI plug-in, 2 USB ports here, your LAN, which is this cable, and plug into that, and then into your router or whatever else you're supposed to, and here's your power plug-in. 2, 4, 8. You can take 8 of these, I guess. Let me take a look at this. Let's see how this goes. Okay, one's DVD and the other one's a power wire, from what I understand. Let's see what we can do here. This plugs in. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure this out for myself. It's not like I do this every day. I've never done it before. Okay, that don't fit on that. That don't fit on that. So, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, this looks like, yeah, the power. AC power. That will obviously plug into the power. Like that. I don't know if you could see what I was doing, but that does plug in there, so we get that in there. HDMI cable, and just take that out, plug that in. I'm going to see what we can do here. I believe this is a 6-foot cable. It's not very long, but I have a whole bunch of HDMI cable in it. So that plugged right in like that. Okay. Here's your installation screws and anchors. Oh, it's a USB wired mouse, isn't that funny? I got a better mouse than that. That's garbage. I hate to say it, but that is cheap. And here's some more. So we have the 4 camera screws and anchors. There's that. Here's another power supply that will go, I believe. Let's see how that plugs into this. Like I said, this stuff I'm going to figure it out one way or the other. So this is a power supply, and it has to power up something here. Let's take a look at these cables. Okay, each one of those goes in here. And there's 4 of these. Okay, let's just take this cable and open it up. See what's all in here. Oh, they really taped that up good, didn't they? Now, these cables come out of here. Let's see, we've got 2 sets coming out. Okay. Okay, one of these goes to the camera. One set goes to the camera. And the other set goes to the DVR. Let's see if that goes on there. Well, I think it does. It did. It slid. You push it all the way in, and then you turn it and it locks in. And this is your power. And this is obviously plugs into, it's got to plug into this. It does. Okay, here's your power here. And that cable plugs into that. So then you have 4 of these. Once this is plugged into the AC, you have 4 outgoing power. And let's see where we're at here. Okay. So one of these goes, this cable goes to the camera. So you're going to power up the camera, which I just did. And then you stretch it out. What I have holes from my old DirecTV. I have the satellite dish that I put up, and I had strung the coaxial cable around the house. And the inlet for the room I'm going to have this in has a hole through the wall, so I should be able to just slide these cables through and to where I have mounted my camera. So this has been a box opening and a little bit of information that is pretty straightforward. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, that's it. I'm Cooler, and this has been your box opening for your Night Owl. Put this down here. 2K hard drive, 2K high definition. Wow. What did I just do? Okay. It's Night Owl 2K high definition wired security system with 4 cameras. And I'm Cooler, and I'm out.